All right, good morning. It is Friday, September 25th, 9:32 a.m. This is Mr. Bing. Hello, greetings, pandemic. This is second block on Friday, and my second block class is right here. They're already working, and I'm instructing them at this moment while I'm trying to make a recording of this. I think I'm getting better at this. Each day I think I'm getting a little bit better, and hopefully I can get quicker is really the key. All right, so you guys close your laptops and look at my big screen, and then you guys watching this recording, I'm going to show you when you go to Schoology how you get into a conference, which when you go to your course page, you click conferences here, and then you can join a conference if it's running. And then by joining this conference, you get to see our screen live. This screen right there is what they're looking at right now. And so I'm going to start teaching them, and then you can just watch along and listen to whatever it is I'm rambling about. Okay, so close that laptop, please, Bowden. And then look at my big screen. Let me turn this down. Look at my big screen. I made a video. I'm not going to make you watch the video, but I made a video. I made it for all my classes, but it's actually mostly for you guys. It is how to join Schoology conferences. If you already know how to join Schoology conferences, then it's not really necessary to watch this video. But if you have been having any trouble at home getting on Schoology conferences, you can watch that. And what's interesting about the recording I'm making right now is that there's two faces of me on the screen. And so double. Okay, so let me move on from that. Look at that if you need to know how to join Schoology conferences. If you are watching this video, you probably already have figured that out. So start here. Announcements. Boom, there's the announcements. One thing really important I want you to see here is that on Wednesday, the last time you were here, it said that today and yesterday we're going to be 1.2.3. Well, 2 days ago, on Wednesday when you were here. And then yesterday, your classmates, the other half of this class, they convinced me that we should not move on to 1.2.3 yet. Yes, we should not. So don't thank me, thank Jalen, and thank Sam, and thank Justin, other dudes that are the other half of this class. Thank those dudes, because I am flexible. I am open to those kinds of things. If you tell me that you're working and productive and learning and need more time, working and productive and learning and need more time, that all goes together well. If you're just lazy and sitting around not doing anything, and you say you need more time, well, I'm obviously not going to be cool with that. So that means 1.2.2 is the only assignment that's due this weekend, and you guys only have like 70 minutes to do it, at least the portion in class. So I should probably move this along. If one will, Fusion 360, email, Liberty Forever. All right, then after announcements, you go to Project Lead the Way. I have not logged in. I guess I should, right? I don't know which computer to type on right now. Let me see. This is my name. And I don't want my password to appear on screen. I hope that didn't happen. Okay, so yes, 3D modeling, that's what we're doing on Fusion 360 on the computer. We're learning how to do that. Here is my engineering notebook simulator for 1.2.2, 3D solid modeling. You can see that there's a few pages that are written up. You must have a written notebook portion of the assignment, even though it's a computer-based assignment. It's a computer activity. And you notice I have all the words here written in blue ink, and then I also have a few little sketches here. Because, rather than explain what it is, you can just draw what it is. And so this, and I haven't finished it. This is a work in progress. And so doing this assignment, you have to take screenshots of your progress. And I have made a file. I don't know if I've told you guys to do this. I've made a file, a folder. I've made a folder on my desktop. You can do the same. You can also put it in your Google Drive so you can have it at home. And I'm calling this folder IED 1.2.2 WBM, which is my initials. And in this folder, there are the screenshots that I've made so far. Here's a screenshot that nothing is there. Okay, let me try this again. Sometimes that happens. Here's a screenshot. It's going to work this time. Amari, I'm getting, oh, there we go. Okay, this is a screenshot that I took of my computer when I completed step 2. I forgot to take a screenshot on step 1, and I don't even think there was anything relevant to take a screenshot of on step 1. But this is the screenshot I took of my work once I completed step 2. And then this is a screenshot when I completed step 3. This is a screenshot. I know it looks the same, but there is something different. There's a screenshot after step 3. I know it looks the same, but there is something different. There's a screenshot after step 4. There's one after step 5, and I think I'm on step 6 now. You notice there's not much visual change from screenshot to screenshot. We're just learning the system right now as far as how you document your work with screenshots. For right now, until we figure out otherwise, just take a screenshot when you complete each step. And I think there's like 8 steps to this assignment. In the future, when you get sort of a vibe for how to do this kind of thing, you will choose your own point or choose your own time to take a screenshot, because you're going to be doing your own projects that don't have instructions, that don't have steps. And so when you're doing that, every time you do something significant, every time there's a visual distinctive change on what's on your computer screen, take a screenshot of that. So just keep that in mind. You're just trying to show your progress. I'm going to try to wrap this up and let you get to work on your Fusion 360. If you're at home, see if you can get Fusion 360 on your computer at home. It works on Mac, works on PC, works on mobile device somehow. I don't know how. It does not work on Chromebook, which is unfortunate since we gave you, $30 million worth of Chromebooks. And so sorry about that. Anything else I should say? Amari, Zach, Bowden, anything? Anything? Tell them what to do, Lewis. Get to work. Yes, 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 yes. Excellent. Yes, yes. When I applaud, you applaud. Okay, stop the share. Okay, stop the share. Hello, that's me. And end meeting for all.